Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or change default tags to your YouTube videos. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user icon up at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select where it says YouTube Studio. On the left side, you want to select the setting gear button. And then on the left side again, you want to go and select where it says Upload Defaults. Scroll down underneath tags. At this point, you go ahead and copy and paste any tags you want in here. Again, comma separated, or you can manually type in tags here and then hit enter. You are limited to 500 characters maximum, which is the same as if you were going video to video individually like you were before. Select Save to save a change, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.